What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So we got an animal today, a bunny rabbit. Side sort of view, right, of the face and some of the neck. So let's go. I'm on landscape page. Use a pencil eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast for you. So we're going to start with the eye. Big bunny eye on the side of the head. So we're along this horizontal line just here, right? Just over to the left of middle, right? We're going to start with the eye. So yeah, let's go. Pretty straightforward. So we'll go up and around, right? Big line like so. And we have eyelashes here. So kind of stick out there like that. And then the rest of this line comes around underneath and up into the tear duct. Just there. So we're just going to add these eyelashes sort of here, right? And then thicken up this coming around. And also they have a sort of a darker section around their eyes, right? So you want to just kind of darken this up a little bit. So just thicken this up. Sort of like that, right? And then, so we can see like the white of the eye and some tear duct. So like a tiny little bit. So some tear duct there, and then like a little bit of the white of the eye, the circular part. Just coming around there. And the brown just goes the whole way around here. It's all brown inside there. So then the pupil is real big. So it's like here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a section that we can color white, okay? So like maybe here. Just a highlight, a white highlight. Right, and then the circle for the pupil will go around here. You want to just try and get it as circular as you can going around the eye. Like if you have a coin or a compass or something that will help you draw circles, no harm in doing that. And then you just color this dark. What I'm going to do as well is just add some hatching underneath the eyelashes, just to show that this is kind of dark under here. Just some hatching lines like this. And you can be as rough and sketchy as you want with this sort of thing. Just makes things a little bit more interesting in the eye, I think. And you have your highlight, and sometimes what people like to do as well, if they have Tipex or stuff and they're doing a drawing like this, they can add like another dot there. See that? If you want. Optional, of course. Right. So then we have some extra texture lines and things coming around the eye, right? Some like hair, eyelid lines and things here. And this, we have a little line that kind of, for the snout, that kind of hairy sort of line that goes down towards the corner of his nose, right, just there. And like as much of this, forgot my Tipex wasn't dry, nice. And as much of this sort of hairy stuff as you want now coming around, like for eyebrows and just these kind of texture lines around the eye. Just light little lines like that. Okay, so eye, bit of texture around. So coming down this line, right, we see the nose, right? So he's got this dark sort of spike here, right? You're about, say, 1, 2 eyes down to the edge of the nose. So you go one eye, 2, 3. So if you divided from here to here up into thirds, you know, it'd be sort of halfway, be about here. So you go 1, 2, 3. So 2 eyes will fit in here. See? 1, 2. And that's where his nose line starts. And he's got this sort of dark sort of line just here. And we can see a tiny little bit of the other side of his nose just comes around there. It's a bit dark as well, but you can't really see much. Right, like so. So then his nose kind of comes around this way. And you may have a line just coming up the center here as well. So then the snout comes down like so. So a real sketchy, hairy kind of line coming down here. And this will kind of go around. Fur-like line like that. Then the other side of his snout just here comes down from the nose. And then his little chin just in here. So we can see like some more fur coming down for the neck and stuff. So, and he gets like quite furry down here. And this goes all the way up around the back of the head, right? And meets the ear somewhere here. So, say like here. This is like the cheek. Like so. And then the ear line kind of comes out this way somewhere. You have all these cheek lines and texture lines and things, as much as you want anyway. Right, so that's like the bottom jaw, right? And then the top of the head, sort of the snout will continue to go this way. Right? Kind of got this little furry section sort of here. Like so, and then goes up this way. Kind of like that, and there's like, this is like an eyebrow sort of area, so there's all these lines, hairy lines and things. And then the top of the head will go this way. And like, you can do smooth lines if you want. I'm just doing these sort of sketchy hairlines because he is a kind of a furry creature. So, you know, you can smooth these lines up if you prefer that, you know. There's no sort of rules with this. I'm just, you know, feeling it out. So if you want, you can like make the edge lines dark, you know, heavier lines if you want, of course. It's all to do with taste and style and what do you like doing. So, but we keep going. Head goes down towards the ear, sort of in there, and we might have some more sort of just some headlines, kind of like lines like this. So then we have a big ear, goes off this way, okay? So it just comes out from the head here. Real big bunny ear. About that big. And then we curve it around. And this one could be like, there's no fur really on this part of his ear. So like this kind of thing. And then it goes into the side of the head. Just there. So then we have the inner ear. So it goes, like it's got this edge sort of thing going on here. And it gets a bit furry. Like so. And this can have more texture coming down. Like so. Some more just coming up inside the ear here. Kind of stuff all up inside, and maybe like these vein like lines. It's like a big rabbit ear there, and then we can see the back, the other one on the other side of the head. So it comes out from here, different sort of shape now because we're looking at it from behind. So it goes around, and this can be a little bit hairy here. Down back of the head. There, and like sort of back of the ear, sort of up here. So, right, so that's basically the rabbit's head, okay? We're just gonna add some details like whiskers and then we'll do the body. So, like for the whiskers, right, so we've got like these dots that come around, right? They come out from the mouth. They're small at first and then they get kind of bigger as we go out this way, right? And then whiskers, so real big sort of whiskers, right? Some like go like right up this way. Some go like that way. And then down this way. Kind of smaller at the front here. hands coming out from the other side. There's some coming from his eyebrow here. Right, and then front of his body. So, say, where's the neck? So it'll come down, where would his neck be? Here. And like real furry. Coming around there. And then his back. Just goes down that way and then again as furry as you want, and then there's like rolls of fur. Coming around here. Like so, right. And then you just touch things up. You know, sometimes darkening up your edge lines can help, you know, make things kind of sort of stand out a little bit. Then just add sort of texture and stuff as you see fit, you know, around. Maybe some hatching just in the ear there. But I think I'll leave it there, guys. That is how to draw a bunny rabbit. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye. I realize I'm still recording, but I just, sorry. I wanted to thicken up these lines. I just looked at it on my screen here and I realized these ears weren't as thick as the rest. So I could keep going on animal drawings forever. There's something about them. These ones, the dinosaurs and the Monsterverse kind of ones that have like lots of details in them, it's very difficult to know when to stop. Okay, but I'll stop. That's it. Bye.